At the edge of the continent, America built a city on fault lines in the desert. A city made of dreams. But dreams need water to grow. And water is power. The water wars. The farmers accused me of stealing their water. But we fought back.
Mr. Mulholland, the dam is leaking. The cracks are getting bigger.
Tony, quit complaining about the cracks.
A dam of this size always leaks. That's what I told them.
Well, goodbye, Ed. I'll see you again if the dam don't break.
I was wrong.
Actually, we expect this dam to break any minute.
I'll move my family out of the canyon tomorrow.
Dead wrong.
Get to higher ground. I repeat, get to higher ground.
The flood is coming! Warn your neighbors!
Hey kids, wait here!
Help! Get me out of here!
$12.5 billion gallons. More than 400 lives lost. Don't blame anyone else. You just fasten it on me. The genius that brought the water to the valley. William Mulholland.